When maintaining furniture finished with Oil Plus 2C, there are essentially 3 different paths you can take. First, if the surface looks dry or thirsty, you don't need to sand it. All you have to do is apply Renew, and it'll be ready to use after 8 hours. Second, if color restoration is necessary, or you need to restore protective properties to the surface, you perform what we call a renovation. That's what we'll talk about in this video today. And finally, if damage is present, we recommend to sand and refinish the surface for the best results. Let's dive into the renovation process.
Vacuum the surface to remove all loose debris and dirt. Clean the surface thoroughly using surface care spray. Allow the surface to dry completely. Use a maroon abrasion pad to lightly scuff the surface along the length of the grain, cleaning it every time it gets filled with dust. It's important to do an even abrasion. Vacuum the abraded surface thoroughly. Clean the surface with a damp cloth and allow it to dry completely. If needed, mask the areas that should not be treated. Applying Oil Plus 2C for a renovation is the same as the initial application, with a better spread rate. Stir the Part A component thoroughly until a consistent color mixture is obtained. Carefully mix the 2 components together, or a ratio of about 3 units Part A to 1 unit Part B. Once mixed, you have 4 to 6 hours to use the product. Spread out a small quantity of Oil Plus 2C using the applicator set and work the oil into the wood surface. Apply Oil Plus 2C to vertical surfaces using a brush and spread with an applicator pad. Alternative spatula method. Evenly spread Oil Plus 2C with a plastic spreader or a small squeegee. Then, use an applicator pad to work the oil into the surface. Start wiping excess oil away around 15 minutes after applying it using a clean terry cloth. Make sure all excess oil has been removed within 30 minutes. The surface should feel dry to the touch upon completion. Under favorable application and drying conditions, the surface may be lightly used or handled after approximately 24 to 36 hours. After 48 hours, the oiled furniture is approximately 80% cured. Full cure takes place within approximately 5 days. For periodic cleaning of the finished surface, use Rubio Monocoat soap. If the surface appears dull, maintain it with Rubio Monocoat Renew. When color wearing is evident, perform a renovation with Oil Plus 2C in the same color originally applied.